together with Shineworldgroup, are leading the future of manufacturing with 3-star products. The first product is a high-speed wire twisting machine operating at 250 revolutions per minute, spearheading an efficiency revolution. The second product is our high-speed extruder with a maximum speed of 1,000 meters per minute, setting a benchmark for industry precision. The third product is an intelligent, fully automatic coiling and wrapping machine, capable of 10 coils per minute, creating a model for the industrial Internet of Things.